Hey guys, it's Robert again, your plug for everything EV. Today we're going to go over some frequently asked questions. Me being an EV owner, I feel like I'm in a good place to answer some of those for you, so we'll kick it off. Are there tax credits or rebates for buying an EV? Great question. Yes, there usually are tax rebates and benefits for purchasing EV, but it does vary from vehicle to vehicle, from person to person. So definitely go online, check your irs.gov and see if that is going to be something that's going to work for you. Can you charge an EV in the rain? Another great question, and yes, you definitely can. The charger is going to be waterproof, so you can definitely charge. It's not going to have any issues whatsoever. All right, next question. What kind of maintenance do EVs require compared to gas cars? So actually, in comparison to a gas car, there's going to be a lot less maintenance for an EV. You definitely want to make sure that you're rotating your tires. You want to make sure that you're replacing your wiper blades. You want to make sure that you're maintaining your brakes. Other than that, that's going to be the major aspects of maintenance in comparison to a gas-powered vehicle, that there's lots and lots of maintenance that's associated with that. Is it true that EVs can power your house or tools? So yes, that's actually a really good question. My F-150 Lightnings do come with Pro Power on board, which you can actually use to power large power tools. You can even power things like your refrigerator if your electric were to go out in your house. Not all EVs do that, but that is an option that's available to you. All right, guys, those are the questions that we had for today. Definitely go online or come into Beechmont Ford if you have any additional questions. Again, I'm Robert. I hope to be your plug for anything EV.